Let's make these buttery smooth fruit cupcakes. Super quick and easy cupcake recipe that you can make anytime. Start by adding 100 grams of room temperature unsalted butter and 100 grams of sugar in a bowl and mash them together. Next, I'm gonna add 2 medium eggs and mix it vigorously using a whisk. Use your electric mixer if you like. Now I'm gonna add 100 grams of self-rising flour and 60 grams of dried fruits, which is a mix of cranberry, blueberry, apricot, and cherry. Combine all together with a spatula, then divide the mixture between 12 cupcake cases. Bake for 13 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. I hope you enjoy these delicious fruity cupcakes, and thanks for watching.